just made healthy and easy apple chips. They make a great snack to munch on or can be used in a salad. To make the chips, start by cleaning your apples. You can use any variety of apples, but I had green apples at home, so I'm using them. Once cleaned, pat them dry. Now to cut the apples, remove the core and slice them. The thickness of the slices should not be too thin or too thick. Once that's done, line a baking tray with a parchment paper and preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Since we are not using any butter or oil, it's really important to line your tray so that the apple slices do not stick to it. Lay the apple slices on the tray. Make sure that they do not overlap. Bake for around 2 to 3 hours on the middle rack for even cooking. Flip the apples halfway through until they are dry out but are still pliable. Once done, take them out of oven and let them cool down. During this time, the apples will continue to crisp up while cooling. They are now ready to enjoy. Now let's quickly make simple salad that goes really well with apple chips. To prepare the dressing, mix olive oil, vinegar, black pepper and rock salt. Take green leafy veggies of your choice and add pickled cucumber, salted peanuts, olives, feta cheese, the dressing and the apple chips. Give it a mix and enjoy.